If you're interested in holding real estate through a Series LLC, we have a lot of experience with that. And in fact, it's very simple. You simply take the deed for property 1 and you put it into the LLC you've established, but not just in the name of the LLC. You should also indicate as the grantee on the deed the designation for the series that you have established through the internal operating agreement. So one document's filed with the Secretary of State, and we'll call it ABC Capital LLC. Then what you do through the internal operating agreement, and we can do this through our internal operating agreement we prepare for you, is we prepare Exhibit A, a schedule of series, Exhibit B, sub-series agreements, and that will establish Series 1 as part of ABC Capital LLC, so that when you take title to that property, you can put it in the name of ABC Capital LLC, comma, Series 1, a Delaware Series limited liability company, and not the company generally or any other series therein, to try to be clear about what title is owned by what property, so that you have the assets properly funded into the series and have those series properly established. At Inc. Now, we can help you with your operating agreement and also help you file a certificate of formation for your Series LLC. We look forward to helping you soon.